Hi guys, hope you're well and welcome back, and hello anyone that is new. My name is Ellis and today I'm sharing with you a home decor organisational type of video. So for anyone that doesn't know me, we recently moved again in July and we are yet to, I say we, I don't know why I'm saying we because my husband doesn't get involved in any of it, but I am yet to organise the kitchen cupboards, the fridge, and kind of really get to town on it all and really get it streamlined, and I've slowly been getting there. If you haven't seen, recently I did a playroom decor reorganisational type video and it came out so amazingly. I'm so chuffed with it, so I will leave that link below for you so you can head on over and check that out. But I really want to do a big declutter and organise of my kitchen. When we moved I was, oh god, like a couple of weeks pregnant and nobody really knew, and I remember the day that we moved in I got out all the kitchen stuff, put it on the island and said to my sister and my mum, just pop it away in cupboards, and I was obviously hoping that I could get it back out, but they never really put anything away logically, and I'm very much a person of logic. Like I like pots and pans next to the oven and, you know, just kind of bits like that. So some of it's organised, but a lot of my boxes I couldn't find for organising food and like the kids' cups and things like that. So I need to do that, and also my fridge. So we have a much larger fridge this time, but I also find that in term we've got like one of those big double American fridge freezers. But I find that because of that, things tend to go missing or they just kind of get lost at the bottom. And in my pregnancy I'm really kind of struggling to bend over, get down. I'm actually suffering with SPD. So really want to do a fridge organisation video and then get the kitchen cupboards and the kitchen done. So if you like that type of content and you like organising, cleaning, decluttering, all that jazz, then make sure you are subscribed. What I'm going to do with you is, because we are doing some home updates and things like that, I'm going to share, I've got some bits from, I did have some more bits actually, but they've kind of just gone walkabout. It's like I've used them. But I've got some bits from B&M, Ikea and Maxx I'm going to share with you on some bits that I picked up to help me organise around the home and just decorate, and some bits that I thought were really affordable. Yeah, good to use. So if you want to see what I picked up, then just continue to watch. Okay, first thing I picked up, absolutely bleeding obsessed with this, absolutely love it, is this. It's one of these like brown jar dispensers. I'm actually hoping that I can label this up soon. From B&M, £2, what a bargain. It's a glass jar as well, it's not even plastic, it's a glass one. Planning to use this for dispensing soap, obviously, hand soap. But a lot of mine broke in the move, or they were breaking, or they were rusting and things like that. But I thought for £2, an absolute bargain. Yeah, for £2 I thought what a bargain, absolutely love it. Kind of wish I picked up more, but I don't really need any more. I have got soap dispensers for all my other bathrooms. I've got 3 bathrooms, so the kitchen sink is the last one that I need to get. And this has literally been sitting in a box for the last couple of weeks and I've been dying to get it out. So now I can. And I'll probably do that in one of my upcoming organised cleaning videos for the kitchen. Yeah, pick that up. So if you're looking for one like this, online, very expensive. So much cheaper in B&M. Okay, I'm going to stick with B&M for the time being. So the next thing I picked up, and I don't actually know how much this was. I think it's in with my Christmas decor. I did a huge Christmas B&M decor haul as well. And I remember seeing the label for this. But is this, I just thought it was really cute. I think it's like a bottle brush, to be honest with you. So I'll probably use it for the boys' bottles. But it was like in this gorgeous like stone effect, but it's plastic. And it was pink and girly. And I just really liked it. And I thought this would be really good for cleaning the boys' drink bottles. You know, like the really long ones where you struggle to get stuff in. It's got loads of fluff over it from the Christmas decorations. But I know this wasn't very expensive and I was looking for a bottle brush, and this one just felt really sturdy and solid. So there we have it, a bottle brush. Then I picked up some more sponges. So in my Christmas haul, I did pick up a Minky Christmas theme one, but I actually really like these ones. They are just the own brand B&M ones. It doesn't say how much they are, but I know they're not very expensive. And I really like using these. I find them just as good as the Minkies, if not better. You get 3 of them and I know they're a lot more affordable. So yeah, if you are looking for like a Minky alternative, I really like using these over any other cloth. You can chuck them in the wash, give them, you know, as a floor baths and things like that, as I always have done. Yeah, I really like these. I've had these in pink before, blue, all sorts, and picked these ones up in grey. I mean, a very random thing now. I don't even know the point of me sharing it with you, but a loofah. You know, in case you were wondering, 2 for £1.50. Picked up 2 of them, I did, so we move. And then the next thing I picked up were organisational trays for my fridge. So I already have some of these, but picked up some more because they do break. Really kind of wanted to organise the fridge now. So the first ones I picked up are this size here. Don't know how well you can see them. So they're kind of a narrower one. These are 31 by 16 by 9. And I'm thinking to organise, I mean, I've got a can one somewhere, so probably won't be to organise the cans, but just more of the fruit and the veg and things like that. I find that Adam tends to want to put the fruit and veg like together in a drawer, and I really don't want it down at the bottom. I want it kind of up at eye level so I can get to it easily. So I picked up 4 of these. I think that was all they had. But then I also did pick up these ones, which were deeper storage ones. A lot bigger and deeper, as you can see. So I figured that things that we had more of, so maybe if I wanted to put like, I don't know, our apples and bananas and like fruit or potatoes or, I don't know really. I don't really know. And I also bought, I haven't got them, but I got them from Home Bargains a couple of weeks ago as well. I also bought some Lazy Susans, really, really affordable in there as well. So these ones were £3. And the smaller ones were $1.99, and I already have some egg ones, and I already have a can one from previous, but obviously like I said, my fridge is so much bigger now, so I'm hoping this will help me organise. And then moving on to Ikea and talking about organisation for fridges and things like that. Oh, I bought these, and I actually bought 8 of these. I think they're absolutely stunning. I really love this like like style, like the bamboo, and I'm trying to move to more glass stuff if possible. But for like leftovers and things like that, these would be really good and look really aesthetically pleasing. But also for fruit and veg that's already cut up and prepped, meats, like ham, cheese, just a better way to store them and keep using foil and plastic and all of that sort of stuff. I just felt like these were a lot better. So these weren't very expensive. I think these were only like £2 odd, and the lids were around the same. I picked up 8 of these. And then from Ikea, I also picked up these, which I absolutely love. I'm planning to put one of these beside my bed for my diffuser. I think I picked up 4 or 5. One in the kitchen for the diffuser. Maybe some for like the fabric softener to have out on the side. But these were really cheap and affordable too. And I've really wanted one of these for quite a long time. So I've got quite a few of these to kind of go around the house. And then I was thinking maybe for like milk and orange juice and things like that in the fridge, but I'm not sure. So the next thing that I picked up were these. So these are the ribber frames from Ikea. So for anyone that's followed me for a while, you would have seen I had white ones, very similar to these in our last property. Really big white square ones in our living room, and I absolutely love them, but they don't seem to sell them in that size anymore, and they got damaged in our move. So I've now got these ones, and these are different dimensions, so I know I'll get questions on this. So this says they are 40, hold on, I'm reading this upside down, 40 by 50, or if you use it with the mount, you need a 30 by 40 photo. Again, they were quite affordable. Really, really like the look of them. I think they'll look really lovely in our living room for just getting up some pictures of the boys. New baby comes, pictures of the new baby and us, and just like personalising it again. I'm hoping I can cut down some of our older pictures, but I'm not sure. But I have saved them all, but they do cost quite a bit to get the bigger pictures. But yeah, I've got those as well. And then the last thing that I wanted to mention, very, very randomly, picked these up from TK Maxx. Picked these up in a haul a little while ago. Did pick up some other bits as well. Never got around to filming like my autumn decor haul, and obviously that's been and gone now. But I picked up these coat hangers, and the reason why I wanted to mention them is because this was the cheapest place for coat hangers. This was $3.99 for, I believe, 12. I think there's 12 in here. A 10 pack. $3.99 for a 10 pack of these velvet hangers. Adam needed some more. He always drops them, snaps them, breaks them, cracks them, and then moans he's got no coat hangers. And all of his clothes are currently sitting in a mound at the bottom of his wardrobe. So I have actually said to him, you cannot use these until I filmed, but I picked up 2 of these, obviously in the blue, for him. I was looking for more neutral, but you know what? Coat hangers are coat hangers, and they're going inside a wardrobe. They'll do. Whatever. Yeah, really affordable. So if you're looking for these velvet hangers, this was like the cheapest place that I found for them. I know that Primark do sell them, so I don't know how Primark compare, but when you're looking online for like eBay, Amazon, Matalan, places like that, TK Maxx seem to come up trumps for the most affordable places to get coat hangers. So if you're looking for some, there we are. So I actually do feel like I picked up some other bits, and I'm not quite sure how entertaining this haul would have actually been for you. It's a very basic haul, but I feel like there's some really lovely bits. I'm loving the bamboo effect, like of these lids and bits like this, and I cannot wait to share with you some of my organisational videos slowly but surely over the upcoming weeks. So keep your eyes peeled if you love that kind of content, and do subscribe if you are new, because there'll be lots of that along with baby content, pregnancy content and all the good stuff, and lots more cleaning videos. But if you like this kind of thing, then like I said, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in another video very shortly. Bye guys.
I'm thinking of you.